Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7. Will be present about implementation of construction work during the pandemic. The first one, I will introduce my group member. The first is Nova Expander. Number 2, Muhammad Ilham Jawari. Number 3, me, Merino Nova Mardika. Number 4, Mas Laswardi. After that, our content agenda. The first one is introduction, number 2 presentation, number 3 our content, and number 4 closing.
I'm Masaswarti Parawatmaja. I will continue the explanation of my brother Belino Noval Mahardika. Introduction or project. What is our project? Our project is explain the importance of implementation health protocol in the construction world as a way to break the chain of COVID-19 spread. Our goal is to educate workers in the construction world to remain active in working during pandemic regardless of the importance of COVID-19 health protocol tailored of construction work. And now I want to explain what is COVID-19. COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by the coronavirus that was recently discovered. Most people who catch COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms to will recover without special treatment. COVID-19 was first detected in Wuhan, Xinjiang, China, and over the past year it has spread globally in 238 countries. How about COVID-19 in Indonesia? The condition of COVID-19 in Indonesia is globally comprehensive. Indonesia in the 21st position in the world with the most cases of COVID-19. Based on data that January 9, 2021, as many as 818,000 of people have contracted COVID-19. 120,000 of active COVID-19 cases, 673,000 patient recovery, and 20,947 death to the COVID-19 death to the COVID-19. This can be if it is a recovery concerning seeing how the curve of the increase in case of survivors in our country continues to increase.
My name is Muhammad Ilham Jawhari. We'll continue the presentation of Inspirational Farmer. From this picture, we can conclude that there are many people who have been confirmed as COVID-19, but this is also balanced with a high recovery. What is relation between COVID-19 and project construction? COVID-19, which is now spreading resulting in many parts of the world, resulting in many stunted activities cannot even be carried out. No exception with the work of construction. Many projects have had to be stopped due to the violent spread of COVID-19 in the area, therefore suppressing the spread of COVID-19, and the implementation of project work can still run, required health protocol that discipline the construction work environment. How to eradicate it? 1. Always wash your hand when starting activities. 2. Always wear a mask when out of the house. 3. Avoid physical contact between each other. 4. Avoid crowd. How to implement the COVID-19 prevention protocol at the construction project? The Ministry of PUPR itself provides a special COVID-19 prevention protocol in the work of the construction work through the Minister of PUPR instruction number C21 M 2020. In the instruction, there is an obligation of existing facilities in a construction project. 1. Construction work is obligated to provide vaccines, vitamin, and additional nutrients to increase workers' immunity. 2. Construction work must have operational cooperation on health protection and prevention of COVID-19 with hospital and or nearby public Health Center of Emergency Measures. 3. Construction work is obliged to provide additional facility such as hand washing, tissues, mask at the office, and field for all workers and quiz. 4. Construction work is obliged to provide vaccines, vitamin, and additional nutrient to increase work immunity. The next presentation will be followed by Nova Expander.
My name Nova Expander will continue the presentation of inspirational farmer Ilham Jauhari. Let's stay at home. Protective equipment and facilities for COVID-19 prevention. Helm projects. Project helmets are mandatory work safety equipment that must be assessed by any entering in the construction project area. Project first switch. Useful to the distinct between outsider and the people who works in the project environment. Marks are needed during project work. The use of masks is now also very mandatory to be used in project during this pandemic. Gloves. Able to protect our hands from sharp projects that are in the project. The use of gloves during the pandemic is also highly recommended because in the reduce hand contact with objects that could be contaminated with the COVID-19 virus. Safety shows about protect our feet from sharp objects. The project such as nails, broken glass, and the like. Heat clinic room, first aid box. What is mean have the profession of medical devices that are also specific to COVID-19 management, such as thermogun provides medical personnel if needed. Blood pressure curbs ads. Provision of body supplements. The supplements referred to here are vitamins and nutrition. Service providers as less always prepare additional supplement to improve the immune system of existing workers at the project site. Advising plates. Either location, advising is very necessary to be in all places, so that condition of the hands is cleaner and all times. Construction service providers must last preferred sanitation service at the project site. Would the above method is effective? In many countries, the implementation of strict health protocol has success in reducing the spread of COVID-19. Countries of such as China, Taiwan, Vietnam, and some countries in Europe have managed to get 0 cases per day. The next presentation will be followed by Melino Novel.
Thank you, Nova Expander. Next, is Melino Naufal will show about implementation of construction work during the pandemic. We will show you about the video. I am Melino Naufal Mardika. Thank you for your attention about our video. Now I will conclusion about contraction and COVID-19. The conclusion of our content project is to stay productive during this pandemic, especially for those of you who work in the world of construction. Be productive by adhering to health protocol. This pandemic has indeed disrupted many of our activities, disrupted our livelihoods. This is our test. We face the pandemic together, adhere to exciting protocol. Don't forget to keep clean. If you feel symptoms immediately go to COVID-19 service. Continue to develop our country together while eliminating the pandemic from this country. With card to beat the country. Thank you for your attention. I, Melino Naufal Mardika, and my team apologize if something goes wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.